The fuel tank cap consists of the cap itself, an O-ring to seal the cap, and a lanyard so the cap is not lost. There are a couple of different problems that are common with the cap assembly. The O-ring will eventually wear out. This will cause fuel to leak from the cap. The lanyard will sometimes break off, making it easy to lose the cap. Replacing the fuel tank cap is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by unscrewing the fuel cap from the fuel tank. I'll go ahead and remove the lanyard from the fuel tank as well. Now I can install the new fuel cap assembly. I'll insert the lanyard into the tank and thread the cap into place. And that's how simple it is to replace the fuel tank cap on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.